Hi, my name is Bahram, a cognitive behavioral hypnotherapist and a stress management specialist. In today's video, I'll take you through a real life case study on how CBH helped a client overcome social anxiety in just 6 sessions. This journey will show how structured therapy can transform lives while maintaining confidentiality. I'll share the methods and progress we achieved together, and please bear in mind every case is different. I always have to do a consultation before I go into any therapy. And additionally, just to let you know that I do always offer a 30 minutes of consultation for free. So, that being said, let's dive into it. In the first session, we focused on understanding the client's experiences and setting clear goals. Through detailed questioning, we identified that public speaking and group interactions triggered intense anxiety for the client. Now, whether it was at a work meetings or social gathering that she had to stand in front of people and speak, or anything like that, she had that anxiety that she felt. So, using a collaborative approach, we established the goals and then to make her feel confident and calm in social situations. Now, just additionally to this, what I normally tend to recommend and advise is to include some sort of exposure therapy. So, what that means is slowly and gradually trying to get the client to face those anxiety that they have bit by bit, step by step, to make them more feel comfortable. I'll speak on that one another time. In session two, I provided psychoeducation about social anxiety. We explored how the brain's amygdala triggers the fight or flight response and how this can lead to avoidance behaviors, such as trying to avoid the meetings or avoid to go to parties or meetings where there are social gatherings. Those kind of avoidance behaviors. These are the ones that you tend to move away from because you don't want to face that anxiety. And understanding the science behind the anxiety helped the client feel more in control. So the explaining of how this works, what happens when you are stressed, when you're anxious, when you're in meetings, when you're in whether it's work or social, all those issues that she would have, I would explain how this works, why the effect, how it affects you, and etc. So that was pretty good in the session. So there was understanding, which is always helpful to move forward to the next session. In this session, we worked on cognitive restructuring. The client identified the thoughts like, everyone will give me judgments, everyone's judging me, and we replaced them with more balanced perspectives, such as, most people are focused on themselves, not judging me. This reframing reduced the intensity of their anxiety. In this session, session four, I focused on hypnosis for relaxation and confidence building. Hypnosis was a key part of our sessions. I guided the client into a deeply relaxed state and used positive suggestions to build their confidence and reduce anxiety. This allowed them to visualize themselves thriving in social situations. In session five, I introduced behavioral experiments visuals, which is a step by step ladder of exposure. In cognitive behavioral therapy and cognitive behavioral therapy, we refer to it as exposure therapy. You start introducing the client to the challenges they have, the issues they have, step by step, very small steps. So behavioral experiments help the client face their fears in manageable steps, starting with small actions like initiating conversations. They gradually gained confidence to handle more challenging situations, which was great to see. In the final session, we reviewed the client's progress and we created an action plan, what we call a maintenance plan, making sure that the client doesn't go back to square one and start repeating all those habits that they had initially. This included regular practice of relaxation techniques, journaling your success, whatever achievements you have that you are proud of, write it down. Any thoughts that goes through your mind, do this on a daily basis. And by the end of the therapy, they reported a significant improvement in confidence, and this reduced their anxiety, which I'm glad to hear. The transformation was incredible. At the start, the client rated their anxiety in social situations as 8 out of 10. By the end, this had reduced to just 2 out of 10. They shared how they now feel at ease attending events and speak up in group settings and public speaking, which I am more than happy to hear, which is great. And the final notes, and if you or someone you know that struggles with social anxiety, cognitive behavior hypnotherapy can be life changing. Feel free to reach out for more information or to book a session. I offer a 30 minutes free consultation. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others to discover these transformative techniques. And it also helps my channel to grow and reach out to people who could benefit from this. Thank you for watching, and all the blessings to you guys. And talk to you soon.